The Knight First Amendment Institute at Columbia University sued in July, arguing that the Texas state government's ban on TikTok prevents or severely inhibits faculty members from conducting research on TikTok. U.S. District Judge Robert Pittman dismissed the lawsuit, saying the Texas restriction was motivated by data protection concerns. State university faculty and all public employees are free to use TikTok on their personal devices, so long as such devices are not used to access government networks, Pittman said. TikTok sued Montana in May to block the state ban on several grounds, arguing that it violated the company's and users' First Amendment free speech rights. More than 30 states and U.S. federal agencies, including the White House, the Department of Defense, the Department of Homeland Security, and the State Department, have banned TikTok on government devices.